Hello guys, Rob here. The voice beta date has been released. Finally, today we get some news out of Block 1 with the voice date. Here in a blog post from voice.com, the road to beta. So if we scroll down and get straight to the point here, we're aiming for a beta launch on February 14th, 2020. So just a couple months away is the targeted launch date of the voice beta. So they explain a little bit about why things are taking the time it is to get voice launched. As with most emerging technologies, getting voice in people's hands requires more than some serious development. The legal environment is still evolving, and the joining of blockchain, tokenization, and social media is relatively uncharted territory. So we're in the midst of an ongoing open conversation with legislators and regulators to make sure voice is ready for users. So Block 1 making sure all their ducks are in a row, talking with legislators and regulators to make sure voice is ready. But the date is finally here, the target beta launch date, February 14th, 2020. So that's pretty much it for this one, guys. I just wanted to get the news out to you guys. I'll leave a link to the voice blog post here in the description below. And if you have not done so yet, if you have an EOS Genesis account, you need to perform an action on your Telos Genesis account before block 64 million, which is expected to happen on December 18th. I'll leave a link to this page in the description below. Here, if you click this button, it takes you to both tutorials on claiming your Telos using Squirrel Wallet and Scatter, as well as a text version of what you need to go through. And if you do not have a Telos account yet, you can pick yourself a free Telos account here, as well as take advantage of the 20% Rex returns with tutorials on both staking your Telos to Rex using Squirrel and Scatter. So link in the description to that. This message on Telos is brought to you with the support of the Telos community via the worker proposal system. That's it for me, guys. Get excited for voice. I'll see you in the next one.